Hello. Today we're discussing a new airline decision support tool for managing frequent flyer programs. Everyone likes frequent flyer points. But for airlines, making enough seats available so that customers can redeem their awards can be challenging. The main challenge for airline loyalty analysts is to ensure sufficient availability for loyalty redemptions, but also protect seats for later booking higher value paying passengers. Sabre's developed a new proprietary optimization model that provides an industry-first solution to this problem. Our new decision support tool works with a new type of airline frequent flyer process known as dynamic redemption. Dynamic redemption provides much more flexibility in how awards are redeemed compared to traditional static tier programs. The points needed are based on available airfares and a dollars per point conversion rate, in this example 1.2 cents per point. This capability is great for consumers because it allows redemption on any normally available flight inventory. So if the available fares in a flight are low, then the mileage required is also low, and vice versa. Also, it allows buying with either cash or points or a combination of the two, as shown in this example from the Virgin Australia website. With dynamic redemption, the main business challenge for the airline is finding the right value to use for the dollars to point conversion rates in each market across the network. Our new loyalty decision support optimization model accomplishes two things simultaneously. First, it meets the airline loyalty program objectives in terms of satisfying the network-wide points redemption volume requirements and also ensuring that the redemption availability is consistent with demand by market. But it also meets airline revenue management objectives to maximize overall network revenue. These are used to find the optimal dollars per points conversion rates by market to determine the correct mileage requirements. So the model provides estimates for what these dollar to point conversion rates are, and then our application, once that's implemented, our application actually tracks the actual performance, and as part of a monthly review process allows the airline loyalty analyst to make required updates. So here's a screenshot of the prototype. It typically optimizes a full year of historical revenue management data to establish recommended annual sales budgets for frequent flyer redemptions by market. This information is then used in our models to go ahead and set the targets for each of the different markets. A screenshot of the loyalty sale tracking tool is illustrated below, and we'll go through each of the components of it in the next few slides. So first, selections. We provide an ability for the analyst to select the airline, the markets, including the overall network, as well as the type of information displayed. Next, we show information to help manage the loyalty redemption volume targets and dollars per point conversion rates. We display the model recommended and current year-to-date targets, as well as provide what-if sensitivity analysis capabilities so that the volume targets or the dollars per point rates can be changed, and the areas in the gray there are then dynamically updated as those values are changed. Further, we show the performance year-to-date so that the analyst can determine if the market or markets are on track. In this particular case, you can see that the actual monthly points being redeemed in this particular market, or in this case for all markets, are slightly below what the optimal target points were. And you can see this is information going from January to June, and we also include projections for July through December based on the observed rates to date. Further, it's interesting to be able to see how the actual mileage requirements would be on a particular market based on the dollars per point conversion rates. In this case, we show for different fare classes that would be available on different flights, Y, B, K, L, M, N, and Q in this particular example. You can see that at these different price points that the miles required would be different. So based on the optimal current and new dollar per point conversion rates, we can display the points required for redemption by available fare class. So why is this useful to airline loyalty teams? The new model optimally allocates the frequent flyer availability while meeting an airline's network redemption volume targets. This simultaneously optimizes the airline's RM performance while minimizing paid passenger revenue displacement from frequent flyers. It allows tracking actual loyalty redemption volumes versus an annual budget, and we can compare available fares versus the resulting mileage required for loyalty redemptions. The initial tests we've done on this application are pretty promising, and they show potential benefits of up to 1% revenue improvement arising from better seat management and better coordination of the loyalty program and revenue management decisions. So we'd like to acknowledge the work for the folks in the project team, and we hope that you've enjoyed this video, and we'll provide feedback here on the Sabre Innovation Hub. Thank you.